it right there, Mosaic the blogger.
Right.
You say
you looking at a whole other place.
Listen, y'all, right there for y'all.
What's wrong with that if he did though? What's the
No,
problem?
ain't no wrong with that. Hold on.
Oh.
What's wrong with this hoe?
I don't get it. I do, bro.
Hold on, that's the guy Mosaic blogger.
Fucking so
That's the guy Mosaic blogger. That's the guy right there.
No, that was the funniest shit all day, my nigga.
Hell no, hey, I got that weird ass picked up out of here.
No, there she go. There she go.
I got that weird ass bitch the fuck up out of here, Pop. What the fuck she on, dog?
Man, I'm gonna throw the whole damn phone.
I don't know what she on, goddamn. I don't know what type of support she's trying to do. I got her fuck up out of here.
Wow, that's some people.
Yeah, it is people, man.
Y'all look, y'all see what just happened? She was gonna expose him, and he got him up out of here. She was gonna expose Mosaic the blogger and sleeping with transgender, and he got him up out of here.
Brian, I got a question for you, Brian, man.
Here's no more questions.
Here's what I want to say, man. If I got 23 kids, why do I have time to mess with a motherfucking nigga?
You just freaky. You a freak though. You freak nasty. You freak nasty.
But I'm telling you what though. I'm telling you what we did expose though. I don't know what we did expose.
No. You kicked that transgender off the line because she was gonna expose you.
What's this, Brian? What's this sugar book on your nose, man?
That ain't no shit. That's some shit you don't put up there.
That ain't no shit, nigga. This recorded. I can go back and show the people in my live that sent it to me, dog. Record this video. I just screenshot it. They come on Ratchet Live with this sugar book in your motherfucking nose. So explain this shit, dog.
You will say anything.
Hanging out your nose.
Listen, you will say anything.
Cocaine, candy cane. This motherfucking thingy hanging out your goddamn nose, nigga.
Listen, you will say anything, but what we just found out is that transgender was on her for the expose your dog ass, your nasty ass, and you got up out of here.
What if it is?
What the fuck are you talking about? I don't even know what you talking about.
You just keep that man off of her because she been expose your nasty ass. And she said, so what if he did? Yeah, she been listen, she been telling her that she got fucking booty. She been telling her that she got fucking booty, and you kicked out her. Like that, like why?
Now, let me tell you how you sound stupid as shit.
Why?
If somebody knows something about me, they should know my name I go down, what kind of car I got, where I live. A motherfucker can't tell you that.
She was gonna tell it all. She was gonna tell it all. You keep
it. You have to tell me stuff about me.
Man, listen.
What kind of car I drive, what car I drive, what's my street name. Nobody can tell you nothing about me, so I can't believe that, man.
Listen, she was gonna tell it. She was gonna tell it all.
You need more evidence,
and you got about her. She was gonna tell it all.
Hey, bring her back up, M.H.B. Bring her back up.
M.H.B.
No, I'm saying what? I'm watch this go. You gonna bring up his friend.
Man, bring it back up for M.H.B.
Yeah.
I got the new
song
song.
real quick. We didn't want to talk to her, bro.
I got the new song fresh right now. This too.
I got something for you right here, Ryan. Watch this.
Go. I need you promoting us. Keep calling. Thank you. Listen, M.H.B. That lady was finna expose your dog ass and tell the world that you be getting booty, and you hurry up and got off your life.
What kind of lady exposed to me that don't know me, dog?
Bro, she's not answering, bro. She's not answering, man. Hang up. She's not answering.
Booty.
Ryan want to text the people press the call on answer.
I thought you said we was into it.
That's all right. Wait till I get that recording, though. You gonna be fucked up out here, watch.
Listen, y'all was pre-recorded this live, but let her erase it. That lady came up here and said, if that's a problem, then why is the problem? And he jumped up and sprinted to the phone. I ain't never seen Mosaic the blogger run. He sprinted to the phone and her got the outfit, so she was in the girl that said he didn't get moved.
What if he did?
church say, what if he did?